With the recent closure of King Dakar at Six Flags Great Adventure, only 8 Intamin hydraulic launch coasters remain in operation, with Stealth at Thorpe Park being one of them. So that begs the question, how long has Stealth, the world's fastest accelerating coaster in the world, got left before it joins the Intamin accelerator graveyard? To fully understand Stealth's future, we need to look back at the past.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
In March 2006, Stealth opened to the public as the UK's second tallest coaster, standing at 203 feet tall, and originally accelerating trains from 0 to 80 miles an hour in 2.3 seconds. However, in its first couple of years of operation, Stealth had a few rollbacks, which to anyone who is unfamiliar is when the train doesn't make it over the top hat and rolls back. This is a fairly common occurrence on hydraulic launch coasters, as compared with LSM launches, they aren't as consistent at hitting their intended speed. And although rollbacks are completely safe, with the train being slowly brought to a stop before reaching the station in Stealth's case, it led to the ride experience an increased amount of downtime, which wasn't ideal from an operational perspective. When 2012 came around, Intamin sped up the launch from 2.3 seconds to 1.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating coasters in the world.
I'm stronger, I'm smarter, I'm better. I am better!
And ever since then, rollbacks haven't been as frequent. And I would say that in general, Stealth has been one of the less problematic Intamin hydraulic launch coasters. Be sure to subscribe for more speculative videos like this. But moving on, 2010 marked the last ground-up hydraulic launch coaster with Formula Rossa, though since then, the coaster model has been discontinued by Intamin. So that brings us to the question of how long Stealth has got left. My prediction is that Stealth will be the last of the 3 Merlin accelerator coasters to go, for multiple reasons. To start, it's easily the most iconic and loved coaster of the bunch. Sorry, Rita and Desert Race. Stealth has been the staple ride of Thorpe Park for a long time, well, until 2024, and it's such a recognisable and iconic attraction. Secondly, Stealth holds the record for the fastest accelerating coaster
In the world!
That gives Merlin more of a reason to keep the coaster from a marketing standpoint, and I do think it's faster than Max Force. Sorry to any American viewers watching. Thirdly, there's a possibility that some parts from King Dakar will be donated to Stealth to help with his upkeep, but these are just rumours. And finally, and most notably, the park have recently given the whole area a repaint and refurb, in addition with refurbishing one of the trains. Stealth is getting a lot of care from the park, and it's clear to see that they want to keep the coaster around for some time to come. So I would say the coaster's easily got around 4 seasons left, if not more, though I want to be safe in case this video backfires.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Though when its final operational year comes, I'm sure the park will give it the send-off it deserves. Who's to say the coaster will be completely torn down anyway? I'm sure by the time that Stealth's hydraulic launch reaches the end of its life, LSMs will be powerful enough to get the trains over the 203-foot top hat, without the need to do a multi-pass launch with a spike. But anyway, how long do you think Stealth has got left? Be sure to comment down below and subscribe for more speculation content like this. See you in the next one.